Stop guessing important questions for your class 10 math. Save this video and solve the 100 most common exam questions with me. Question number 76. Check whether 301 is a term of the list 5, 11, 17, 23 and so on. Right. So the AP given to you is 5, 11, 17, 23. First term is obviously 5. Common difference you can calculate 11 minus 5 is 6. You can also check 17 minus 11 is also 6. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट टर्म क्या हो गया 5 एंड कॉमन डिफरेंस इज 6. an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. We have to check if 301 is the term in the list or not. ठीक है, so we will assume that 301 is the nth term. ठीक है, so an is equal to 301. First term is 5, common difference is 6. So the only unknown is n. 301 minus 5 divided by 6 equal to n minus 1. 148 upon 3 plus 1 is equal to n, and that will give you n is equal to 151 by 3. Now 151 by 3 is not an integer. इसका मतलब क्या है कि this number 301 is not in the list.